All right, so we have a uniform motion question dealing with a train. Let's see. The train leaves a station and travels north at a speed of 75 kilometers per hour. 4 hours later, a second train leaves on a parallel track and travels north at 175 kilometers per hour. How far from the station will they meet? All right. So let's see. Let's say the station is right here. Draw like a little line from when they're leaving. The first train's going north at 75 kilometers per hour. And the second train's going to catch up because it's going faster, 175 kilometers per hour. So at some point, that second train's going to catch up to the first train. Let's see. Let's make a table with rate times time equals distance. So there's a start organizing our data. We got 75, 175 for the two rates. Now here's the hard part. We know that the distances are going to be equal. That's the easy part. But the times are a little bit tricky. So what do you think you put for 4 hours later? What we're going to do is for the first train, we'll just say that it's time t. Okay, there's a variable t that stands for time. So what do you think we put for 4 hours later? It's either going to be t plus 4 or t minus 4. So t minus 4 is good because in 4 hours, that train will have been traveling for 0 hours because it leaves 4 hours later. So as 4 hours passes by, that train's just going to get started. So 0 hours had passed for the second train and 4 hours had passed for the first train. So that's a little idea there. So distance 1 equals to 75t. Distance 2 equals to 175 times t minus 4. Set those equal to each other because we want the distances to be the same. 75t equals to 175t if I distribute minus 700. 175 times 4 is 700. So if we move the 700 over and if we subtract the 75, we get 100t. So t equals to 7 hours, right? Now, the question asks for the distance, so we have to find the distance. So 75 times 7, we see that here, right? One of the distances 75 times 7, so what's that equal to? So 490 plus 35, 525. 525, yeah, I remember that was the answer. Kilometers, okay, so kilometers are the units. So the two trains will meet in 525 kilometers.